So you have found this great audio online that you would like to use in your lessons, but unfortunately there are no images to go with it. Or there is this exam listening task that you know your students will find quite challenging, and there are no subtitles to help them during the later listening stages. Media.io helps you add images to your audio files and also generate subtitles all for free. Let's see how it works. After you have created your free account, in the workspace, select Create a new project. To begin editing your audio file, click on the Upload Media and find the audio files and images that you want to put together. The uploaded media will show up under All, but you can choose to only see the audio files or images by clicking on the Audio and Image tabs. To start, simply drag the audio file to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Automatically, a waveform of the audio will appear to help you identify the different parts of the file.
Number 1.
You can listen to the audio by clicking on the play button.
Number 2. The sofa is under the paintings.
You can go back to the start by clicking on the Jump to Start. Now that we know the basics, let's add some images to our audio file. Drag and drop the first image on the black canvas. As you can see, the image files also appear in our timeline. You can choose when the image file will appear and disappear by dragging the sides of the image on the timeline. So if there are 3 different conversations, you can have 3 different images to play one after the other. Listen to the audio again to understand when the topic changes so that you can adjust when the images appear.
Number 2. The sofa is under the paintings. Number 3. The statues behind the armchair. Number 4. The plant is next to the knives. Number 5. There are 4 chairs.
To generate subtitles, simply select the Subtitles tab on the left and click on Auto Subtitles. You can generate subtitles in more than 40 languages, and it only takes about 5 to 6 minutes for a 3-minute audio file. The subtitles will appear on the timeline, and you can see them as we listen
3.
through the track.
The statues behind the armchair.
Remember that if there are any mistakes, you can always edit the subtitles by simply clicking on the text and making any changes you want. You can also change the font size and color by going to Style. One particular effect that I like adding is the background on the text, which makes it easier to read. Now that we are done with our video, it's time to choose to save it to our device. Click on Export in the right corner. Remember to choose MP4 so that your students can see the subtitles and images. Select Continue and wait for the magic to happen. Now you can send the file to your students as homework by sharing the link, or you can download the video to your device and show it during your lesson. As someone who spends an unhealthy amount of time... Hello. As someone who spends an unhealthy amount of time online for materials and resources for future lessons, I would say that Media.io is a great tool to turn those audio files into interactive lessons, audio tasks, or even homework. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you used Media.io, please let me know how you used it and if you found it useful. Also, if you have any questions, please make sure to share them in the comments below. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.